Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be shooting the very first BBFYB, Best Bang for Your Buck video. We're going to be talking about dually wheels and some 37 by 1250 R20 mud terrain tires. With that being said, you're looking at these dually wheels and you're saying, Michael, I've never seen these wheels before, and that's because you probably haven't. Whoever makes them does a terrible job at marketing and a terrible job at distribution. I couldn't even tell you the name of the wheels. Couldn't tell you the brand, couldn't tell you the model. I do know that there is a distributor, semi-sketchy, in the DFW area that sells them. They come at a great price point. They're about half the price of a fuel or a XD or a moto dually wheel. So with that being said, they are by far the best bang for your buck. I would call them one of two name brand wheels, either a DFD wheel or a Texas wheel. Yep. I know you're watching this video and you're saying that is the least amount of details possible and it sounds like the most sketchy wheels possible. I have no comment to say about that. But if you're looking for the best bang for your buck dually wheels, these DFD / Texas wheels that probably only we can get you connected with, the best bang for your buck. Also, if you're looking for a tire to run with your dually and you don't want to run spacer, so you're looking for a 12.5-inch wide tire in a 37-inch and everybody else is sold out, these Destone mud crawler mud terrain tires, they are a relatively good bang for your buck. They kind of, they have the tread pattern close to a Fury mud terrain tire. They've got the same kind of spread as the Fury mud terrain tires, and they are mud terrain tires, so they're a pretty good bang for your buck. They're not the best tire. They're by far not the most expensive tire. They don't handle the best. They're not the quietest, but for the price point, and if you're trying to make it work with this setup, a dually with real dually wheels in the back, aftermarket, 12 wides on a 37-inch tall tire, these Destone mud crawlers are a great bang for your buck. So, with that being said, I'm sorry you don't have a lot of direction with this video, and you're probably gonna need to call us or email us to get these wheels. But if you want them, let us know. We would love to get them shipped to you with all the details we have. Not trying to be sketchy at all, but these are the details that we have. With that being said, if you have any questions, which I'm sure you have a lot of questions, please leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want these tires and wheels, I would highly recommend calling us because they're probably not on our website. Again, our phone number is 833-268-2577, but if there are other parts that you want for your vehicle, go to our website. Hopefully we can sell you some. Also, in case you're sitting there and you're saying, wow, that was the sketchiest video I have ever seen, I just went and pulled the invoice for these wheels. The description of the wheel, the title of the wheel is AG013. So if you want to look that up and see if you can figure out what that means and who makes them, that'd be great. I'd absolutely love it. And let me know, because I'm honestly kind of interested. But again, A as in Alpha, G as in Georgia, 013. It pulls up fuels, it pulls up American forces, and don't want to tell you. It's kind of sketchy, but if you want bang for your buck wheels for a dually, these are them. Thanks for watching and have a great day.